Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi here. You are most welcome on my YouTube channel Ashu Official. If you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get such useful content which can help you to improve your spoken English. In this video today I'm going to talk about how to speak English fluently. So it is very important for you to speak English fluently if you want to be a good English speaker. So I'm going to give you 3 powerful points in this video. So stay tuned and watch this video until then. Let's talk about first point, which is start thinking in English instead of translating. Most of the learners, what they do, they think in their own language and then they translate it into English, which takes a lot of time and which slows down their fluency. And that is pretty obvious because when you are thinking in Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, and then converting it into English, it takes more time. So rather than thinking in your own language, start thinking in English, which is so important for you to become fluent in English. Like, how can you do that? You can start thinking in English whatever you do. Let's suppose you are brushing your teeth. You can say, I'm brushing my teeth. And whatever you do throughout the day, try to make those short sentences in your mind in English, and this will help you to start thinking in English. Whatever you see around, whenever you go out, try to say like, I am walking on a street, I'm able to see a lot of trees, or people are drinking water here. Most of the sentences try to create or construct in English, which will help you to think in English. Second point is, which is really important and crucial for you to become fluent in English, that is speak English every day even though you are alone. Most of the time what happens, we say we don't have partners, we don't have friends with whom I can do speaking English practice. But if you are alone, try these activities which can help you to speak English fluently. First, try to speak English in front of mirror. Second, try to record yourself and listen to them for the sake of your improvement. Third, do shadowing practice. Take a video and try to speak along with the speaker. And the fourth, that if you have some friends or just go on social media platforms, I will say there are many platforms where you can do English speaking practice like Peer Up, Open Talk, Hello Talk, Tandem, Clubhouse, where you can find your buddy with whom you can do speaking English practice, because it is a skill and it demands practice every single day. So follow consistency as much as you can to become fluent in English. And if you want to be fluent, stay here for the third point as well. And now coming to the third point and the most important point for you to speak English fluently is learn phrases, not just words. What we do, sometimes we try to learn words, 30 words, 40 words every single day, but we do not even know that how to use them. So better learn phrases or the chunks which can help you to speak English fluently. Like, by the way, in my opinion, that sounds great. All these sentences, we can use it while speaking English. And how you can learn them? By watching shows, movies, or the videos and speeches. You can write them down in your notebook and try to use them while doing conversations. Because if you're not using all those phrases or chunks while speaking English, they are not going to stay permanent in your mind. So make sure that you use them while doing conversations. So in this video, I talked about the 3 points which you need to work on to become fluent in English. So the first point was think in English instead of translating, which is really important. Second, practice English every day even though you are alone. Third, learn phrases, not just words. So follow these 3 powerful steps to become fluent speaker. I'm sure that if you are going to follow these steps strictly and consistently, I'm sure that you are going to be a wonderful speaker within few months. So stay connected and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.